Welcome back, everyone. I mean, I know I haven't uploaded any YouTube videos lately. I've been up with some things up and down, but we decided to to start with the Demon. I haven't received my crate kit. It's been almost 11 weeks, but now we're gonna go ahead and just race it on the 808 horsepower, and we're gonna start with that weight reduction. We got that rear delete kit and a 35-pound bucket seat, and I'm looking forward to hit Irwindale this Thursday coming up and see how we do. I ordered this from the dealer, from Dodge. I paid roughly about $500. It took me almost about 11 weeks, to arrive. And I'm gonna walk you through how it gets installed, and I'll be able to show you guys how it looks after it's being completed. So enjoy. Welcome back. By now we have completed the Demon rear delete stick kit that I ordered from the dealer. The kit took us roughly about 11 weeks to arrive, and the installation it was about 3 or 4 hours. We also added a 30-pound bucket seat, and then now we're just going to be ready to test it this Thursday at Irwindale. And also on September 14, 15, we're going to be heading out to St. Louis and race on the Demon event and see how we do. And this is fully stocked. I'm still on the 808, and I'm still waiting on the crate. So stay tuned, and I'm going to be posting more videos on this Demon.